Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have discussed a few topics like the definitions regarding the acid and bases and the uses and some common properties of acid and bases. Now we start a new topic, which is the pH scale. Like the thermometer is used to measure measurement of the temperature, similarly, pH scale is a measure the strength of acid and base. This scale measures the hydrogen ion concentration present in the solution. Here, the P term, the P word which denotes the potence, which is the indicator of strength, and H is the indicator of hydrogen ion. This scale was first propounded by the Johnson in 1909, and the power of ion concentration is known as pH. And the pH is mainly defined by the formula, which is the minus logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration, or the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. Here, the log term defines the term word logarithm, and H plus is for hydrogen ion concentration. Or in the form of the base, or in the word of the base, in the terms of the base, we will also write this pH is minus logarithm of tan H3O, that is the hydronium ions. And the strength of acid and bases are totally depends on the concentration of H plus ions and Cn minus ion. What does it mean? It means that more concentration of H plus ion shows strong acid, and more concentration of OH minus ions shows strong base. Likewise, acidic substances are like HCl, gastric juice, milk, curd, lemon juice, tomato, orange, etc. And the basic substances are like NaOH, blood, soap solution, cold drink, having soda, milk of magnesia, etc. Now you can all see here I'm drawing a table or the figure which just shows that there is a scale. It is a type of scale. Actually, the scale is a bring of some colors, and it is a quite multicolored scale, and it shows different type of colors, and the specific colors shows how much the pH of an compound, or the litmus paper shows that. So here the acidic substances are having the pH from 0 to 7, and basic substances are having the pH from 8 to 14. And the 7 substance shows that whenever the compound, whatever the compound is, when its pH is about the 7, it is a neutral in nature. Though here it shows that when the ions are having more H plus concentration, that means it has some more acidic properties, and when it having the OH minus concentration more, then it is in basic properties. Likewise, when we consider some properties like H plus ions like HCl and hydrochloric acid, H2SO4 and HNO3. So these are the types of the strong acid, because the H plus ion concentrations are much more in present in them. Likewise, if we take the example of CH3COOH, it is a type of acidic acid, which is an example of weak acid, because the H plus ion concentration are less in them. So this is a scale which defines the pH of different compounds. So this is about the pH scale. Now we move to the next topic, which is the importance of pH in our daily life. So the base first, the importance of pH in our daily life is acidity in stomach. There is a feeling of burning and pain you all are feeling due to acidity. At the time of acidity, more quantity of hydrochloric acid is formed in the gastric juice in our stomach, as you all know, which causes burning and pain in stomach. So to prevent this, we take MgOH, and MgOH is known as the base, which is also known as the milk of magnesia. What it do there, it just combines with the acid, and the acid and base both combines to form a salt, and just neutralize the stomach. So it is also known as neutralization reaction, as you all know. The second one here is tooth decay. PH of mouth, as you all know, is approximately 6.5, and after taking food, the bacteria entered in the mouth produces an acid by the reaction from remaining food attached in the teeth, which decreases the pH of mouth. If the value of pH is less than 5.5, the enamel of teeth is decayed, and paste would be done after food, or the mouth should be washed from the basic solution. So what does it mean to say? It means to say that when we take the food, the pH of our mouth is become less than 5.5, which is acidic in nature, and that acidic nature harms the enamel present in our teeth. So to prevent that, we have to use the mouth washer or the toothpaste. So toothpaste is the remedy of this. Okay. Third one is the sting of insect. Sting of insect is also acidic in nature. The sting of insect like honeybees, ant, or spiders secrete the acid which is contact of our skin. There is burning and pain on skin when we sting to the small of insect. If at that time basic salt like NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, then the effect will be neutralized. So here also it is an example of neutralization reaction. Then when an acid just acid by the sting of ray reaches our skin, then we apply the salt like NaCO3, it will act like a it act like a base and neutralize that part, and we prevent from any further injury. So and the next will be the acid rain. Rainwater usually considered as a pure water, but today its pH decreases due to the pollutant. As you all know that nitrogen and the sulfur present in the acid rain, so it will polluted the whole environment. Taj Mahal is one of an example of that. So to prevent that, we have to use what? Controlling pollutants. And the fifth one is the pH of soil. pH of soil, the crops needed in soil can be selected by determining the value of pH of soil, and it also determines the use of suitable fertilizers due to which good crop is obtained. So here also when the pH of decreasing or the increasing, we apply the suitable type of acid or bases to just neutralize situation and to take a best result. So these are the some important topics we have discussed here, like the acidity in stomach and the tooth decay and the sting of rays and acid rain and pH of soil. And these of they are just a few example, and there are more and more example which shows that pH value or the pH scale just have a much more importance in our daily life. So by these we can understand what pH scale is and what is the nature of the pH scale and what is the importance of pH scale in our daily life. So this is about the pH scale. I hope you all understand this and just revise it by yourself, and I hope just revise it by yourself and do more and more practice about that. We will discuss furthermore and the interesting topics, and I can say much harder topics in the later lectures. So be ready for that and study hard. Thank you.